step one when we're trying to learn be used to and get used to is we have to know the difference between be and get. So we're going to start with some very simple grammar, very simple word choice. So if I say be old, if I use the word be, like here, remember be changes to am, is, are, all of those, we can say I'm old, he's old. There's a be, right? Be changes am. And then here we have get old, get old. So if I say here, I'm getting old, I want you to think, what is the difference between I am old and I'm getting old? So think, I am old, I'm getting old. Okay, so I think you got it. Where we have the am old, because it's a be, it's using a state verb. State verb, I am American. I am a teacher, right? This is something that doesn't change. It's true now, right? And I'm stating it as a fact. This is true. I'm old, right? Versus if I say I'm getting old, you see the word get right there? The get is showing some type of change, some type of becoming, right? Before I was young, now I'm getting old, right? Now I'm getting old. So think of get as becoming or changing, right? Before not old, now old, okay? So that's step one. Okay, part two. So now we take our be and our get, and we're going to use them in a new way, right? So here, I'm using my be used to say, I'm used to life in Singapore. If you live here, if you live in the same country as me, right, maybe you're comfortable now. And that's why we use this pattern. The be used to, right, is to show I'm comfortable, okay? I'm comfortable, right? Or this one, sometimes we say I'm accustomed to life in Singapore. And because we're using the be, remember, it's our statement. We're saying this is true. Now, comfortable. Now, it's okay. My life in Singapore, I'm used to it. I'm used to life in Singapore, okay? That's different from our getting used to. Remember, we said if we use the word get, what does get mean? Get, remember, means we're becoming, we're changing, right? Before, not comfortable, okay? Here, remember, we said I'm comfortable. Here, we're going to say I'm not comfortable, but I'm getting more comfortable, right? So I'm becoming more comfortable, right? More, more comfortable with our life in Singapore, okay? So that's the gist of it, our be used to and our get used to show something that is true now, comfortable now, or the change, becoming more comfortable now. Okay, now one more thing, right? One more thing. Okay, everybody, final part. Now we're going to look at how we can use the get used to in a sequence, right? Compared to the other grammar that we've already studied in some of our previous videos that I will link down below. Okay, top one. If we're talking about a present habit, something true now, we're going to use usually, right? For me, this is true now. Present habit, true now. I usually drink coffee in the morning. I usually drink coffee in the morning. Today I drank coffee. Yesterday I drank coffee. Tomorrow I think I will have coffee in the morning, right? That's my present now habit. If we change to a past habit, we can use used to, right? This one, no be, no get, we say I used to. I used to drink orange juice. Whenever I was a child, I drank orange juice every morning for breakfast. So that's what I say. I used to drink orange juice every day when I was a child. And last one, I want to show you my get used to. Remember, my get used to is to show something changing. Now I'm using it with something I don't think I could change about me. I don't think I could get used to eating or drinking ghee in the morning. So this is something that one of my fellow teachers told me about, right? It's an Indian form of butter, right? Where they drink, sometimes they have it in the morning for health. But I heard it has a very strong taste. So if you're from India or Bangladesh, maybe you also have this, right? But I don't think I could get used to drinking it every morning, right? I'm American, we like coffee, maybe juice, but this one, if I had it every day, would I get comfortable? Maybe not, right? So maybe I say, I don't think I could get used to. Of course, you guys, will you get used to studying English every day? Or do you study English every day? Are you used to doing your homework and turning it in every time? Or do you need to get used to that? Become used to studying hard for your life to change, for your English to improve, right? So I hope this video helped you guys out. This was a big question from one of my students earlier this week. If it did, please like, please comment below, and I'll try to help you as best I can with this style, right? Our get used to, be used to, and the previous grammar you can find down below. So until next time, it's Mark from ULC. I'll catch you then.